Today we're going to talk about the CT500 universal clamp kit from SURR. For starters, you want to cut a piece of wire about 4 times the diameter of the hose you're working on and add about 12 inches to that. And then fold it in half, just kind of make a loop like this, keep your ends even. That way you can thread your wire nut on. Once that's on there, you want to take this loop under the hose and making sure these don't cross while we're doing this. Run that wire nut through and pull the wires tight. Kind of position them where you're going to want them to clamp as well. And then on the second go around, you want to again make sure the wires don't cross. Keep these 2 wires in the middle of the first loop. Once you're there, you can kind of just position your clamp. Tighten it up as much as you can with your fingers, like so, and remove your wire nut. And spread your wires out a little bit. Now you want to get this notch of the tool right here on the loop. So we got that notch. Slide that on. You just want to take this one first wire, wrap it around that pin, move to the other side, wrap the wire around that pin, and then twist the wires together. And while make sure your notch is still in here where it needs to be. Once you're there, you just want to turn this handle clockwise, and that'll start tightening the clamp. Make sure you kind of position the clamp again. And continue. And you're going to feel it start tightening up. Once you get to that point where you get a little tension, just take the time to straighten your clamp out. Make sure everything's positioned as you want it to be. And then continue turning clockwise. And the clamp continue to tighten. And I'm starting to feel a bit of tension here. Once I feel it's tight, I just want to roll this whole tool over and then loosen it up. It'll come right off there. Just take your wire cutters. You want to leave about a 1/4 inch here, about a 1/4 inch here, and then just push those in using your tool. That way we get rid of those sharp edges. You just made a universal clamp that'll clamp anything you need.